Hey everybody, Patrick here, Bayou Outdoors 365 at Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. If there's one thing I know at least a little bit about, it has to do with the weather. And I know, so far it has not been very cold. We have seen so many above average days, it is crazy. But rest assured, before you know it, we're gonna have that one big cold outbreak. So now is the time for you to consider winterizing your RV, because failure to do so when that big event happens could cost you thousands. So right now we're gonna get some tips on what you need to do and why you need to bring it to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter to get your RV winterized now. So if folks are looking at getting ready to put that RV up for the winter time, I know it's not cold just yet, but what are some of the things on pretty much most of the RVs these days that they need to make sure they take care of whenever they get ready to put it up?
A lot of people don't realize that when they go to winterize their unit, they just blow them out through their gravity fill or city water fill. But they also got to remember they got to hit the low point drains. They also got to step on their toilet valves. They got to open each individual faucet. Yes, it's good to a point to get all that blown out, but also there's another advantage of other types of winterizations, which we will put RV antifreeze in them, which is highly recommended, especially this time of year coming up.
What's the difference between blowing them out and just leaving them blown out? I'm guessing that basically is that you're basically just trying to remove all the water from it versus putting something back in again. So what's the advantage of actually putting something back in it again, like the antifreeze?
Well, the antifreeze, you suck it through the system and it keeps everything where it doesn't freeze and damage your toilet valve. And especially nowadays, we got the new water heaters that are called on demand pretty much. And these will freeze because everybody forgets about them and they don't drain them properly. But putting this antifreeze through there keeps them from freezing and busting their coils and their fins in them.